Hi, today I have a interesting lock for me and hopefully for you guys. This was a gift from my wife from my birthday. I mean, one of the gifts. And I did not have this ABUS Titalium. I don't know if there is a number of the. Yeah, here it is. It's a 54 Ti 40 HB63. It's still in the package, and I will try to pick out of the box if it's even possible, hopefully. Yeah, as I mentioned, because it's a gift from my wife, hopefully I will be able to pick it open, and hopefully she will see the video. She will watch the video. Usually she's not watching my videos. Sometimes I think she's watching my videos. And they put an interesting package. Come on, I have a hard time opening this one. Finally. I think this is a 4. Let's remove the package. I think it's a 14 lock. So let's look it's a security level 4 out of 10. Titalium TM54. Something. ABUS. This in Swedish. Some. Yeah. I'm trying to see if this is made in Germany or made in China. I don't know if they're, but there is nothing on the box. So yeah, so let's check the padlock. Let's remove the keys. Let's check first if it's all working. Some kind of black thingy here. Yeah, here's the number 54 Ti 40. On this side it's a Chinese keyway. I call this Chinese keyway. To AZL ABUS something. Yeah, it's working very nice. Long shackle, can be shim. Let's see the key. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 pin lock. First 2 short, long, 1 short and 1 long. So yeah, let's try picking this one. I would like to use some, yes, usual. I'm starting with the forest diamond, my usual one. No, this is not going to work. Yes, this is going to work. Let's try like this. So like this, and let's start picking. 1, nothing. 2, it's binding. Click from 2. 3, it's binding. Click from 3. 4 is binding. Click from 4. 3, it's back. 2, nothing. 1, 2, it's feels big. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, click, or it was a 4. I don't know. I think yeah, this is the problem. Like the first pin is very close to the edge, so I think I'm with my tension tool, I'm grabbing that one. So let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, click. So 1, 2, click, and we're open. No security pins, and I think this can be easily rake open. I do like to try that. These Chinese keyways are a bit tricky to trying to find the best tension tool. Yeah, this hopefully will work. maybe not. It slipped. And I don't know if you can see just this brass or whatever they put it start to oh, come on, come on. Oops, I hit the camera. Hope probably this is not going to work because that third pin was very long and it's a small key. No, it's working. Here it is. I need a different approach. So yeah, it's a very easy pick, a very cool lock. For me it's a very interesting one because it's a gift from my wife. So yeah guys, this was the ABUS Titanium 54 Ti 40 picked and how it's called, it's not gutted, picked and raked. Oh wow. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.